Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday, January the 3rd, 2022. Yes, the first newspaper in the year. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra puzzles. Yeah, we have 6 extra puzzles or Sudokus. First one is letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars, a 3 stars, and a tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle number 1, a tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So only 6 extra puzzles in this additional, and half of them I will solve. But first we will solve this medium Sudoku. A number. This will be number. Let me zoom this in. Okay, this will be number 3922. 3922. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. By the way, to all of you, New Year's greetings, for me, and I hope this year, well, we still are in the lockdown, full lockdown. I hope the lockdown will be end very soon, and that this year fruitful with nice Sudokus and puzzles will be there for you to be solved. Yes, but first let me continue with this medium Sudoku. And 26, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. Let me think. Yeah. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 here in the first column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. Here, 6 in the middle row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. Then. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this column, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Together with the 7, because we have also a 7 in the second column. So no 7 in this box. But also a 7 in that row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 goes together with the 9 as a pair. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. And we have a pair again, 1 and a 6 in this column, 1 and a 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 1 That means one box left in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Okay. Two missing numbers in the second column. For the numbers 1, the 2 is, no, 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 5, 7, 2, 2, 5, 7, yeah. Let me mark those. 2, 5, 7. Okay. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 8, 9. Wow. Interesting. Still cannot fill this yet. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So no row B3. No need to place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. Third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7, 2, 5. So these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 in this last column. 2 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Alright. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. 1, 2, 6. Yeah. No, 1, 2, 7. Alright. Let me think. How about? Nine, 3, 4. I'm thinking 9, 3, 4, 6. Okay. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 1. Alright, 1. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 6. Alright. Okay. How about the number? Let me see. 2. Yeah. In this column, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 2. Well, we see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. And here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. And no. Not finished. Okay, with 2. Alright. Then 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be here. And oh wait, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. Interesting. How about the number? Let me see. Let me see. 1. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 139. We have a 1 here in this row, so no 1 in that box. Here also a 1, no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay, 3 and a 9. 3 and a 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3 and a 9. 1. 1. 1. Yeah. 9. 5 missing numbers in this big. No, 6 missing numbers. Let me see. No. Need to wait. 8. I'm thinking. 3. 2, 6, 7, 3. Come on. It's taking too long. How about 7. 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row will be 3. The only place left for 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Overlook here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2, 3, number 2. Okay. Then. Yeah. 9 and a 4. No, 9 and a 3. How about these 2 missing numbers? In the second row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 3. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3. 3. Interesting. 3 and 4. Well, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 9 and 4. That means we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So here can be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Alright. 3 in this first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row will be 3 in this middle row. So the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Right. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. 4 and 8 again. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see then 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. And 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Now we have a 9 there, so this box is going to be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for number 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 80 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve, and I've solved this in 80 minutes. So I'm real pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Yes, later on, with 3 puzzles. I will do a Sudoku with 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, and a binary. Until then, bye-bye for now.